Oh my God,
You
Asa,
again.
you're here?
Of course I'm here.
What are you doing
I'm
in
still
that
checking
place?
my avocado here.
Oh, you're
And
checking your
there's many
avocado?
new leaves that grows here.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
And also checking for the press.
Oh
I
yeah.
must remove it.
Oh my gosh.
Come here. Come down here.
Oh yeah.
I'm also checking about the cleaning process here.
Are you checking it?
Yeah, for the garden.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty clean now. Not
Oh,
like before. All of the pile of the grass is already being dumped here.
yeah,
There's
yeah.
many pile of grass
Oh,
here.
you want to check it?
It's more fresh, right?
Yeah. And shiny.
It's more shiny.
Oh yeah, that's great.
I also
Oh,
bring something really interesting here.
what's that?
And I want to show you guys.
Yeah.
These interesting things will be the reason our plant alive.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
one of the reason.
One of the reason?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But
What is it?
it's looking more fresh now.
Yeah.
And
It's
more
clean,
whiter.
you know.
Yeah, more whiter now.
It had been cut in the grass, right?
It's a process and it takes quickly,
Oh.
rapidly. Not that long.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe
You
there's
checking?
many. Oh, I forget it here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Beautiful, guys.
Hear that, guys? The sound of the bird. Just you need to take a relaxed time for a minute and
Yeah.
enjoy the nature.
Oh
Don't
yeah.
just watching on your phone.
Oh. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right, Exa. You are right.
Everybody wants to have the experience like us, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you just stay in your home.
Yeah.
How can you have the experience like us if you still just enjoying time in your home, doing
Yeah.
nothing?
Oh.
You need to get out now.
Oh.
Get out from your safe place, from the
Okay.
comfortable place.
All right.
You need to start something.
Why you like planting a plant?
Because there's many video that I said because we love to supply oxygen to our world.
Oh.
Yeah, it's also helping our world to stay alive
Oh my gosh.
because plant turn carbon dioxide into oxygen with
Oh,
photosynthesis process.
That's why you like farming.
That's right.
Oh.
Especially tree farming like this, African farming.
Oh. Oh my god, this how kind are you guys?
It's already really clean now.
Oh yeah. There must be a grass here will be a compost.
Will be compost. That's right. Will be a composter and become a fertilizer also for the plant.
Oh.
Organic fertilizer.
Oh, I
So we're
see.
gonna dump it here and
Yeah.
it's turned into compost.
Oh yeah.
We'll set the microbes to eat all of the plant here
Oh yeah.
to be made as a natural fertilizer. That's easy to make. We didn't need any mixture here. Just
Yeah.
dump it here and wait till the microorganism eat all the thing here.
Oh, how clever you are. My gosh.
Look at it. It's the plant that I have some projectile.
Mhm.
Project to fill all of it with this kind of plant.
Oh. So you want to plant that
Yeah. Plant
this
important things to this plant.
important thing? Oh
But
yeah.
tomorrow I will plant all of it with this, guys.
Oh, tomorrow.
But tomorrow I have a lot of free time,
Mhm.
so I will plan of it tomorrow.
Oh yeah,
So-
that's great.
But the main one is this one.
What's
You know,
that?
It's after rain, right?
Oh yeah.
It's really good to plant these things, to plant this plant.
Oh. So you want to plant it here?
Yeah, I plant it here. And tomorrow I will plant from the corner there until
Yeah.
until the end of this section.
How can you plant it?
Just
Let me show you.
we dig some space here like
Yeah.
this. Look at it. And we just need the root of it, guys.
Oh yeah.
We stample here like this.
Oh.
You bury
We
it
planted it with horizontal or vertical?
horizontal, so it will spread everywhere.
Oh.
Because if you plant it vertical, it will
Mhm.
be like this, and it will not grow enough.
Oh yeah.
Look at it.
Because the plant is have a root, right?
Yeah, have a root. That's right.
Oh
We have a
yeah.
long section here, like this. Look at
Oh.
how easy
yeah.
we plant it, guys.
What is the function of this plant?
There's many functions of this plant, guys.
What is it?
Can be not mixture, but it can give the humidity of the soil.
Mm-hmm.
It trap the water here,
Yeah.
and also the most important thing that this plant, this function of the plant,
Yeah.
it contain a nitrogen.
Oh. Beside for cover crop.
You know about
use-
cover crop also?
Yeah.
I want
of
to tell that
course.
before, but you already know it, so yeah, it can
Oh
be a
my
cover crop.
gosh.
It makes our plant more beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Like a cover.
And like a green carpet, you know.
Yeah, that's right. Green carpet.
Ah.
You got it there.
Yeah.
How can you know about that?
I know everything.
That's right. You start more clever than me now.
I know it from you, you know.
Really?
Yeah. Because you give me money. New knowledge for me.
Guys, I love to share my knowledge, guys.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's enough.
That's it.
Like this is enough, guys. But we need to plant it more. Here.
Surrounding.
Yeah, surrounding of this.
Oh.
So it will
And
grow more wider.
yeah.
We didn't need any hole that's really deep, guys. Just many inches.
Yeah.
And after that, we just need to put it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, like this. And it will be grow.
Oh, yeah.
It's really easy. It's like planting a normal grass.
Oh.
But the difference is this grass, this type of grass,
Mm-hmm.
is really healthy for our plant.
Oh, it's useful, right?
It's useful. It didn't eat the nutrient that our plant needs.
Oh. But it's covered
Yeah, it's covering it.
and give a nitrogen, right?
That's right.
Oh my gosh. That's how to plant
Arachis
Arachis
pinto.
pinto.
Arachis pinto.
Arachis. Oh,
Look at it.
it's
It's
kind
really
of
easy, right?
grass. Yeah. It's really easy.
I got many Arachis pinto here to plant.
Okay.
And
Whoa.
tomorrow, I will plant.
How long
all
we know about the result?
in
That
about-
your tree will be covered by all of that Arachis pinto?
Yeah, that's right. Like in the previous video when I show you about the covered crops,
Yeah.
there's one plant that already have a covered crops, right?
Yeah.
That's an Arachis pinto, you know.
Oh. And now you show how to plant it?
That's right. It's really easy to plant it, guys.
Oh
Just
my
planting
god.
it, surrounding the plant,
Yeah.
and wait for 3 or 4 months.
Yeah.
It will grow, surrounding all the main plants.
Oh, and it is full of Arachis pinto there.
That's right.
Oh
It's
my
full of Arachis
gosh.
pinto.
Oh, we waited for that. And we will be shown the progress, right?
Yeah. We'll show the progress really quickly, especially when the weather is raining like this. It's the rainy weather.
Yeah.
The weather is rainy, so the growth of the plant will be more faster.
Oh,
That's why I plant it now.
yeah.
This is the right momentum to plant.
Okay.
But wow, it's really great. It's already like this. I have already planted
That's
it.
all?
That's all. It's
Oh
really
my-
easy, right?
Yeah.
You can do it in your house.
I can imagine that it's so easy.
It's so easy. We didn't need to plant a lot of it.
Yeah.
Just a small amount of Arachis pinto, and we
Yeah.
plant it surrounding the main plant.
Oh, yeah, I see. Hey, look at that.
Look at it. Like that.
Oh,
Just like this.
yeah.
And you will see the progress in about 3 or 4 months.
Oh, yeah. It'll be full of Arachis pinto here.
That's right. Wait.
Oh,
I haven't planted
yeah.
a bit here. So the root will grow the same here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So our plant will smiling at this, guys, because it contains a lot of nitrogen,
Yeah.
and it's really easy to grow.
Oh,
Really
yeah.
easy, like a grass, but it's a useful grass,
Yeah.
not unuseful grass. Not like a typical grass that eat the nutrient that our plant need,
Yeah.
but it's a healthy grass that contains
yeah.
a lot of nitrogen.
Yeah.
That's good for our plant. So tomorrow I have a plan to
All of this plant?
plant all of this as Arachis pinto
Yeah.
surrounding all my avocado tree.
Mm-hmm.
I hope tomorrow I have a lot of free time, so I will see a lot of green carpet in next 4 or 3 months. So that's all, guys. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe and check to other of our video.